Hey guys, so today's latest project on the 24 horsepower MTD is the drive belt going from the PTO to the rear part of the transmission actually frayed. So I've purchased new drive belts. Now it has two. The rear one's fine. This is the front one, so there's the model number. And let's go take a look underneath and I'll show you what I mean. First off, I had to take off the mower deck, and it's a quick attach, so it comes off in about 30 seconds. Alright, so I'm just under the tractor. This is the drive belt that goes to the front PTO. And see, this drive belt actually fell apart. This is part of the inner part of the drive belt. And this is a belt that was replaced last year, brand new. So the next step is to get this whole belt off, and we'll install a new one. Alright guys, I figured while I had a new belt for the back of the tractor, I figured I'd install it too. The easiest way to put on this rear belt is actually by taking out the battery and the battery tray. And it just slips on this rear pulley, then the large pulley underneath the battery tray, and then onto that pulley there. It's a little bit hard to see. So that belt there is really simple, and then the main belt actually slips onto a pulley underneath there. You can actually see the belt right there. So I've reinstalled the PTO. Again, there's the new belt right above the PTO. A little greasy under here due to a small oil leak, but it's nice to get a new belt on there. Again, I'm going to be selling this tractor, so I wanted to make sure it has new belts on, not to mention there was the issue with the main belt. So the battery's all installed, and let's get this old beast fired up and see if the belts are working. Alright, let's give this a try. Alright guys, looks like it was a successful job. Reverse and forward's working, and high and low. So the next step is, while I have the deck off, I'm going to sharpen the blades and grease up any of the spindles, and we'll get her all reinstalled. So that's a nice big project done. It's fairly easy to do. It does take a while. You're probably looking at an hour or two for your first time. Gets a little frustrating at times, but it's nice when you can accomplish it on your own. Alright guys, just did the test run. The new belts are working perfect on it. So again, it's two belts to replace for your drivetrain, and then you have the one belt for your mower deck. So it's another big project done. Again, the next step is to sharpen all my blades for the mower deck and grease the spindles, and then again I'll check the oil, which was just recently done, and I'll grease everything on the tractor, give her a good cleaning, and then it's going up for sale. This will probably be going up for about 850 Canadian, and hopefully should sell nice and quick. And I have a new toy. This is a 25 horsepower E180. It's a John Deere. So that's the replacement of the MTD. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. It's not really a tutorial on how to replace the belts, just giving you a little update on the old tractor, and hopefully this will give the new owner many more years of great service. It's been a great tractor for me. Been fairly reliable other than swapping out the belts a few times. And again, it's got the 24 horsepower Tecumseh with the 50-inch deck, and it's got a high and low range transmission. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Any questions or comments, post them below. If not, thanks for watching.